Hello teacher, hello my friends. My name is Pablo Esteban Barra Villar. I am 23 years old and I am from Riohacha, La Guajira. Riohacha, La Guajira is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. I like. I study civil engineering. I study civil engineering in the New Granada Military University. In, in Cajicá was weather and I already finished academic. My family is made up of my daughter and my wife. My daughter is my life and my wife is I love you. And my free time, I like to play chess. I like to play chess and play with my daughter. Play with my daughter, my free time. I really like, I really like coconut rice and fish. Coconut rice and fish is very delicious in the beach in, in Rewatch, in the beach. Work, work from the Monday to Saturday in the 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. English in my professional life is very important because it will open many doors for me in the workplace, whether in Colombia or outside of Colombia. Science is a universal language. For me, English is a necessity. Science, civil engineering. I must master this language to be able to make big steps day by day. My friends, teacher, goodbye. Thank you.